Welcome, this is your teacher Black Adams. We have f of x, which is logarithmic graph, and then we have a reflection there, which is g, and then we have point P there, and we have Q, that's and then we have FR, and the intercept of g. So the first question that we asked to write down the coordinate of that's the coordinate of P prime, which is the image of P on G. So image, we need to have a 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and then it has to be perpendicular to the path, and then that is the opposite, so it's going to be x is 2, y is 4. So P prime, which is the image of P, is going to be 2, 4. So that's the coordinate of P prime. And then 5.2, we're required to show that that A is 2. So y is going to be log x base a. That's what we're given, and then we have to substitute the values. So we use p, because so at p we have x is 4 and y is 2. So we use the equation there. Y is going to be 2. So we have y there as 2, and then our x is supposed to be 4, and then we're solving for a. Okay, so that means that changing that to exponential, that's going to be a to the power 2 is equals to 4. So you must know how to convert log to exponents and exponent to log. So we make 4 to the power 2 is power 2 to give it 4, and then we know that when the exponents are the same, the base has to be the same because of that equal sign. Then that means our a is going to be 2. So that's for 5.2. That's our answer. Then we move on to 5.3. Write down the equation of g in the form of y is equals to, and then we know that the equation of g, so g information that we have 2 p prime there, that's the values of 2 and 4. X is 2, y is 4, and then from there we write the equation, which is the exponential equation. So exponential equation is going to be a to the power x. And then we're going to use the values, which is y is going to be is equals to 2 to the power x, because the a doesn't change. When you change from exponential to logarithm, the a doesn't change. So it's y is equals to base 2 exponent x. Then we go to see the values there. We have a p there, which is perpendicular to that, and then we have the path. Remember I said calculate the area. So p prime, p is going to be 4, it's going to be 2 to 4, okay, and then r is going to be 0 to 1, okay, and then we have that point, which is t, is x is equals it's x is 0 to 1. So what we do, we're going to sketch the triangle there. That is it. So that's our triangle. So we draw a triangle, and then that's p prime, which is 2 to 4. Our x is 2, y is 4, and then we have t there, which is 2 to y. Is it 2? X, I think x is not 2. Alright, then we have r, which is 0 to 1, and then we see that they share the same values, which is 2. So which means that same value, that means that it's perpendicular. And then we need to find the value for y in our situation. So what is our y? Our y, we use the equation for the log, because t is under the logarithm function. So log x base 2, and we know that to find our y, what is our y there? So y, remember our y is using the equation we need to find that okay, so that t is x, our y is 1, okay, tx, our y is 1 on that, and then we have 1 is equals to log x base 2. And then solving for x, there we change to exponential. 2 to the power 1 is equals to x, so which means that our value for t is going to be 2, where our y is going to be 1. And then from there we move on to find the distance, because we need to find the base and then the perpendicular distance. So pt is perpendicular to rt. Okay, p prime is going, so distance tp prime is going to be that is common, so it's going to be 2 minus 2 squared plus, and then we have that minus that, so it's going to be 4 minus 1 squared. So that will give us root 3 squared, so that cancels out. So we're going to have root we're going to have 3 root 3 squared, so it gives us 3. And the next we have to find the distance that will be rt. So rt, we'll find that our y is the same, then we're going to say 2 minus 0 squared, that's the formula for distance, plus 1 minus 0 squared. Okay, so that is going to be root 2 squared, which is going to be 2. So our answer is going to be 2. So that's TP prime. So area of a triangle is going to be half base times perpendicular height. So that means it's half, and then our height, our base is 2, and our height there is 3. So half of 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So that is going to be 3 units squared. That's our answer. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave below and I'll come back to you. Thank you.